Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Easy with Podcast.
Hello, friends. We are so happy you're here today.
If you want to learn English fast and easy, you are in the right place.
Yes, today we have a very interesting topic. We are talking about success.
How do people become successful? What do they do differently? We will talk about 7 rules for success today.
Stay with us because rule number 7 is very powerful. It can change your life.
Before we start, please remember to like this video.
And subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more videos for you.
Also, write a comment below. Where are you listening from today?
We love reading your comments.
Okay, Olivia, let us start. What is the first rule of successful people?
Rule number 1 is they set clear goals.
Clear goals. What does that mean?
It means they know what they want. They do not just say, I want to be rich.
Ah, I see. What do they say?
They say, I want to have my own business in 5 years.
They are very specific. That is a great rule. You need a map for your life.
Exactly. If you want to go to a new city, you need a map. A goal is a map for your future.
Listeners, what is your biggest goal this year? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, write your answer in the comments. We want to know your dreams.
When you write your goal down, it becomes more real.
That is very true. Do you write your goals down, John?
Yes, I do. Every morning I look at my goals. It helps me focus.
Let's do a quick recap. Rule number 1 is to set clear goals.
Write down exactly what you want.
Good. What is rule number 2, John?
Rule number 2 is they work hard every day.
Work hard every day? That sounds tiring.
Yes, it can be. But successful people do not stop when they are tired. They stop when they are done.
Wow, that is a good sentence. Do they work hard on weekends too?
Sometimes, yes. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes a lot of time.
Small actions every day make a big difference.
Yes. Think of learning English. You cannot learn English in one day.
You have to practice a little bit every single day.
Exactly. 15 minutes a day is better than 5 hours on Sunday.
Do you work hard on your English, listeners?
You are listening to us, so we know you are working hard.
You are doing a great job. Keep going.
Let's recap. Rule number 2 is to work hard every day. Consistency is the secret.
Now, let's play a little game.
It is quiz time.
Here is a question for you.
Question. What do successful people do every day?
Option A. They sleep all day.
Option B. They work hard.
Take a few seconds to think.
The correct answer is option B. They work hard.
Great job if you got the right answer. Let us know how you did in the comments.
Okay, we are back. Are you ready for rule number 3?
I am ready. What is it?
Rule number 3. They learn from their mistakes.
This is a very good one. Everyone makes mistakes.
Yes, I make mistakes, you make mistakes.
But some people give up when they make a mistake.
Not successful people. They see a mistake as a lesson.
They ask, what did I learn from this?
Exactly. Let me give you an example. Do you remember when you learned to ride a bicycle?
Oh yes, I fell down many times. My knees were always hurt.
Did you stop trying?
No, I got back on the bicycle. I learned how to balance.
That is exactly how success works.
When you fall down, you have to stand up again.
Dear listeners, have you ever made a big mistake? What did you learn?
Write your answer in the comments. We love to read your stories.
Do not be afraid of mistakes. They help you grow.
Recap time. Rule number 3 is learn from your mistakes. Do not let them stop you.
Perfect. Let's move to rule number 4.
Rule number 4 is very important for our minds. They read a lot of books.
Read a lot of books. Why is that important?
Books give you new ideas. You learn from people who are already successful.
That is true. It's like talking to a smart teacher.
Yes, Bill Gates reads 50 books every year.
Wow, 50 books. That is almost one book every week.
Many successful people start their day by reading.
I also like reading before I go to sleep. It relaxes me.
What kind of books do you recommend for English learners?
I recommend reading simple storybooks or books about topics you love.
Yes, if you love sports, read a book about sports in English.
Listeners, do you like reading books? What is your favorite book?
Tell us the title in the comments. Maybe we will read it too.
So, let's recap rule number 4. Successful people read a lot to learn new things.
Getting smarter every day is the goal.
Okay, let's look at rule number 5. What is it, Olivia?
Rule number 5, they manage their money well.
Manage money well. Does that mean they save money?
Yes, they save money and they spend it wisely.
Many people buy things they do not need.
Exactly. They get a new car or expensive clothes to show off.
Successful people do not buy expensive things right away.
They invest their money. They use money to make more money.
That is a very smart way to think.
It is. They think about the future, not just today.
Listeners, is it easy or hard for you to save money?
Money can be a hard topic, but it is important to talk about it.
Let's recap. Rule number 5 is manage your money well. Do not waste it.
Great. Now it is time for our next quiz.
It is quiz time.
Here is a question for you.
Question. Why do successful people read books?
Option A, to learn new ideas and get smarter.
Option B, to fall asleep faster.
Take a few seconds to think.
The correct answer is Option A, to learn new ideas and get smarter.
Were you right? Write your answer in the comments.
Welcome back. We only have 2 rules left.
And remember, rule number 7 is the most powerful one.
Let's talk about rule number 6 first.
Rule number 6, they choose good friends.
Choose good friends. Why is this important for success?
Because the people around you change who you are.
Oh, I understand. If your friends are always complaining, you will complain too.
Yes, but if your friends are working hard and talking about goals,
Then you will want to work hard and reach your goals too.
exactly. We call it good energy.
Successful people spend time with other positive people.
They support each other. They help each other grow.
Think about the 5 people you spend the most time with. Are they helping you?
Good question, John. Listeners, do you have friends who support your goals?
A good friend will celebrate your success.
They will never be jealous of you.
Let's do a quick recap. Rule number 6 is to choose good friends who bring positive energy.
Now it is time, the rule we have all been waiting for.
Rule number 7.
Rule number 7 is believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself. It sounds simple, but it is very hard.
It is. Many people doubt themselves. They say, I am not smart enough, or I am not lucky.
If you do not believe in yourself, no one else will.
That is the truth. Before you can win, you have to believe you can win.
You have to look in the mirror and say, I can do this.
Have confidence. You are stronger and smarter than you know.
Even when things get very hard, do not stop believing.
All successful people had a time when nobody believed in them.
But they kept going because they believed in themselves.
Let's recap the most powerful rule. Rule number 7, believe in yourself. You can do anything.
What a beautiful rule.
Listeners, do you believe in yourself? Say, yes, I do, right now.
We believe in you. We know you can learn English, and we know you can be successful.
Just follow these 7 rules every day.
Let us say the 7 rules one more time, very quickly.
Are you ready? Number 1, set clear goals.
Number 2, work hard every day.
Number 3, learn from your mistakes.
Number 4, read a lot of books.
Number 5, manage your money well.
Number 6, choose good friends.
And number 7, believe in yourself.
Which rule is your favorite? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, we love reading your comments and talking with you.
And please do not forget to like this video.
It helps more people find our English podcast.
And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next lesson.
You are doing great on your English journey. We are proud of you.
Remember to practice listening every day.
Have a wonderful, successful week, everyone.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, friends. See you next time.